You're gonna set up your Facebook Business Manager. What is that over here? Well, you're gonna go to business.facebook.com, right? So if you go to business.facebook.com, you're gonna be able to create your account with your Facebook profile, and in it, you're gonna be able to add a Facebook page. Once you go over here in the Facebook Business Manager and you have it all set up, your roles, people that are gonna work on that account, this is your business hub. This is where you're gonna run all your advertising. And I'm gonna show you in 3 easy steps. I'm gonna go to another ad account. I'm gonna go to, again, talking about Damon John. So I'm inside Damon John's account right now. So I'm gonna hit on create over here. And I'm gonna go to, I wanna get more amplification of my videos. I want more people to see my videos. I'm here on this page right now. This is create. I'm gonna select video views is what I want. I'm gonna go to next at the bottom. So over here, this is the next step over here. This little thing right here, I can select it on. It's called campaign budget optimization. I'm gonna select my daily budget. Basically, campaign budget optimization, it's like opening up a can of worms. But in short, it simply means that if you select more than one audience, Facebook is going to optimize for the one that gets the most results. So they're not gonna spend the money equally. They're gonna spend the money on these audiences, on that campaign, depending on how much interaction you get based on what you're looking for. In this case, video views. So we're gonna leave it at $20 over here. Again, you can do $5 a day if you wanted it. And let's go to the ad set, meaning who is the audience that we're targeting. In this case, we're gonna select, let's say that we wanna do people that are between 25 and we wanna do people that are 44 years old. Just because we're testing things out. Again, I'm not saying that people over 44 don't qualify or under 25. They do qualify. I'm just testing individual segments. Over here, there's a section called detailed targeting. Detailed targeting. I'm gonna zoom in over here. And in here, you can add demographics, interests, or behaviors. So for example, interests. I wanna add people that are interested in business. So we wanna do small business, one option. And Facebook is gonna start telling me how many people are in that category. As you can see here, there's 29 million people interested in small business. And as we get this thing tightened up, we can get to a smaller and smaller audience. Because that's the United States, that's a big audience. I can tell you right now that I like to shoot for a much smaller audience. So for example, if we go to 41, then we have 4 million people. That's more acceptable. So ages 41 to 44, there's 4 million people interested in small business in the country. That's still a lot of people. I'm gonna go now to this thing over here at the top, and you can see that we have new campaign, then we have the new ad set. Ad set is the audience, and then we have the new ad. So once I click on new ad, this is what I wanna do. I wanna amplify one of the publications that already exists on the Facebook page. So what I do is that I go over here to Damon John, and now we're gonna do create an ad over here, ad setup, and then we're gonna select create an ad. And instead of doing create an ad, I'm going to do this one over here that says use existing post. I'm gonna click on this one, and it automatically is going to bring in options for my existing post. So I'm gonna look at select post, and let's see which one I can use. So now I wanna do this one over here, one of Damon and myself on his Facebook page. It says, why social media alone isn't enough to grow your business. So I'm gonna click this one, I'm gonna click on that one, and I got that one selected. I'm gonna go to continue, and look at how that thing starts forming up over here. So this section over here, guys, is how the ad is going to look now. And as simple as that, we have an ad. So you can see here that this is how it's gonna look on the Facebook feed over here, but also on this side over here, it's how you're gonna see it on Instagram, on stories, on other platforms and other places along the way. You can see here now that this is gonna preview all of it. And once I have this ready, there is a green button over here that says publish. This button over here says publish. And that thing right there, all you gotta do is now hit that button here, and this thing gets submitted to the world. Just like that. That is the simple process of getting a campaign set up, finding an audience, and getting that audience pushed on social media with that particular content piece that you put there together.